Hello dear students, welcome to Quick Revision Series Chapter 10 Financial Market Part 2 Business Studies. Today we will learn about classification of financial markets. As we learned in the previous video that financial market trade in securities and furtherly classified into two: money market and capital market. Money market deals with securities maturity period of less than 1 year. Capital market deal with securities maturity period of more than 1 year. Furtherly classified into two: primary market and secondary market. Primary market is called new issue market. Secondary market called trade of existing securities done in secondary market. Major pointers of money market are: meet the short-term financial requirement of business. Second, deal financial asset whose maturity period is less than 1 year. Third, the financial asset dealt in money market are close substitute of money. Key points of money market are: trade in highly liquid, unsecured, short-term debt instrument called low-risk market. No physical existence. Transaction can be conducted over phone, internet, etc. Main participants are RBI, commercial bank, non-banking financial companies, state government, mutual fund companies, and large corporate houses. Capital market, which deals the medium and long-term financial requirement of business firm through debts and equity. Key points of capital market are: has two components, primary market and secondary market. Provide various options of finance at lower cost or reasonable cost. Main participants are development banks, commercial banks, and stock exchange. Example of instrument in capital market are share, debenture, bonds, public deposit, etc. Differentiate between primary market and secondary market. First, meaning: primary market is new issue market and secondary market is for old securities. Second aspect, only buying of securities take place. In secondary market, both buying and selling of securities take place. Third, price. In primary market, price is determined by the company, and in secondary market, price is determined by the market forces demand and supply. Fourth, parties involved. It involves dealing between the company and investor in primary market, and in secondary market, dealing between the two investors. No company is allowed in secondary market. Fifth, location. So for the primary market, there is no fixed location. For secondary market, exists at a fixed location in the form of stock exchange. Fourth, mode of sale. For primary market, securities are sold by the company to investors directly. For secondary market, owner of existing securities is exchanged between the investor, and company is not allowed in secondary market. Fifth, geographical location. For primary market, there is no fixed geographical location. Secondary market located at specific places.